this right here is a level 6 with permanent clear that I lifted with 20 volume. And then this one is the 40 volume. Now I'm going to put it into the color reader so we can see what it looks like. All right, so here is the level 6 with 20 volume. Now, just so you guys see what's going on, around here is the color wheel, so that's the hue. So that would be like red, gold, yellow. It's going around. That's the hue. This thing right here, up and down, that's the level, the lightness to darkness. And then this right here, they have an S labeled, it's chroma, but it's the in to out. It's the purity of the color. So watch what happened when I lifted with 20 and 40. So hold one sec. So I'm going to turn this wheel so you can see what's going on. So the level 6 right here is the beginning. It started closer to the center of the wheel because it's brown. Hopefully it's not too crazy. Now when I lifted it, you'll see it come out. That's the chroma. So it's losing the brown. It comes out in chroma. At the same time, here you see the chroma. Comes out in chroma. At the same time, it's going out in chroma, and then it goes up in lightness. But watch this. And it's also changing the hue. Do you see the right movement? So it's starting from this brown, comes out in chroma, so you can see it looks like really like orangey, and then it starts to shift to the right. That's a hue change. All right, let me show you the 40 volume and what the difference was. Hold on. Let's start in the flatness like we did with the 20. All right. So you can see that the natural hair starts in the center just like it did with the 20. But the 20 gradually got out in chroma, like it slowly moved there. The 40 literally shot out in chroma and went a little further. So because 40 is explosive, when it releases, it's like, jumps really far out. And then it does the same thing as the 20. It goes up in lightness, right? So there's the up in lightness, and it's changing hue, just like it did with the 20, that movement to the right. But look, do you see this hole here? Let me show you the hole. You see that hole? The 40 blasted through that. Now, the interesting part about it is even though 40 has like a stronger energy release, it blasted through that. It wasn't able to get it that much lighter at all than the 20 because it blasted through but died down. It's almost like the tortoise and the hare. It's like, pow! So it's only the slightest bit lighter with 40 than it is with the 20. There's just so much cool stuff to learn about the chemistry and color theory. So we cover, the 3Ds of color, the hue, the value, and the chroma when we talk about foundations in the foundations class. But we talk about the chemistry, of course, in the chemistry class. Just to break it up, it's just too much in one class. But this stuff is amazing. Once you learn what's going on, it just clears so much stuff up.